Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the LEVN headset with mic.
A USB headset designed for ultimate comfort, connectivity, and sound quality.
Let's unpack its features and see if it lives up to the hype.
The LEVN UH002 promises an immersive HD sound experience. Equipped with a rotatable microphone to enhance your communication whether you're working from home or in a bustling office environment.
Let's break down its key features. First up, the easy USB connection and mute control.
No more hassle with tangled wires or complex setups.
Simply plug in and play.
With inline controls, muting calls and indicating your work status to colleagues has never been easier, fostering a quieter and more focused work environment. Comfort and connectivity are crucial for those long work hours. The LEVN headset boasts soft leather earpads and an extra long cable for uninterrupted connectivity, ensuring both durability and comfort during extended use.
Next, let's talk compatibility. This headset seamlessly integrates with popular software like Skype, Zoom, and Teams, making it a versatile choice for online courses, meetings, or collaborative projects.
Say goodbye to communication barriers, even when you're miles away from your team. Now, reliability is key, and LEVN stands by its product with an 18-month warranty and comprehensive after-sales service.
Your satisfaction is their priority, ensuring you get the best experience from your headset. In conclusion, the LEVN headset with mic offers a blend of comfort, convenience, and quality audio, making it a worthy investment for professionals and gamers alike.
If you're in the market for a reliable USB headset, give the LEVN UH002 a try. That wraps up today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, this is your host signing off.
Stay tuned for more insights into the products shaping our digital world.